Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home entertainment with Sling TV, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Sling TV website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Select a plan that suits your viewing preferences. Review both the Sling Orange and Sling Blue packages. Choose add-on channels based on your interests. Enter your payment information securely. Confirm your plan selection to get started. Download the Sling TV app on your preferred devices. Log in using the credentials from your account. Explore the user-friendly interface to find live channels and on-demand content. Take advantage of the free trial if available to test the service. Begin watching your favorite shows and movies without a cable subscription. Use the search feature to quickly locate specific content. Set up personalized profiles for family members for tailored recommendations. Check the My TV section to see what's currently airing. Explore the available on-demand library for additional viewing options. Adjust your settings for subtitles or parental controls as needed. Monitor your viewing habits to manage your budget effectively. Consider promotional offers to maximize your savings. Stay updated on new content and channels added regularly. Enjoy a flexible entertainment solution that fits your lifestyle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.